Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this makeup tutorial. This is what I'm going to be showing you how to recreate. Wanted to give you guys something that was just more wearable and more, but like a little more fun, because this is what I would wear if I went out on Valentine's Day. But it's just a cute little pink makeup, pink and brown, not too crazy, but like also very wearable, but also very fun and very Valentine's Day-ish. So I'm super excited to share this with you. I'm also going to be showing you a bunch of lip swatches and a bunch of like lip combos that you can wear for Valentine's Day in my swatch Saturday video that should already be up, so make sure to go and check that out. This is definitely one of my top favorites. So I'm going to be showing you this whole look in this video, and if you want to learn how to get it, then just keep on watching. right, this is the final makeup. I absolutely love how this came out. Like, absolutely love. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm not someone who wears a lot of, like, not really a lot of purple, a little bit of pink here and there, but this I am obsessed with. So I hope you guys love it too. And that's all I got. If you try this out, please, please, please tag me. I want to see your beautiful recreations. Stay tuned for a lot more Valentine's Day makeup tutorials. They're a lot more creative, but I wanted to share this one with you guys first so that you could wear it on your Valentine's Day this year. So like I said, if you do, please, please tag me. I want to see it. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next Valentine's Day video, part of my 14 days of Valentine's Day.